In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful work using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're building a presentation for class, work, or a portfolio, these simple techniques will help your slides look clean, consistent, and professional. Start by choosing a simple theme. Head to the Design tab, click Themes, and pick a clean, minimal layout. Simple themes give your content room to breathe and keep the focus on your message. If you want subtle variation, use the variants on the right to tweak colors or background styles without breaking consistency. Think of the theme as the foundation for everything that follows. Next, lock in your colors and fonts. Stick to 2 or 3 colors and 1 or 2 font families. Under Design, look for colors and fonts to choose built-in palettes and pairings that already work well together. Use a single font for body text and a complementary font for headings, or keep one font and vary the weight and size for hierarchy. Make sure your text has enough contrast with the background so it's readable on any screen. Add high-quality images through Insert, then Pictures. Choose clear, high-resolution visuals that directly support your point. Avoid stretching or squashing by dragging from the corners, and use the crop tool to remove distractions. You can apply gentle picture corrections like brightness or saturation to maintain a cohesive look, but keep edits subtle so images feel natural. Alignment is where designs go from okay to polished. Turn on View, then Grid Lines, to help line things up. Select objects, go to the Align tools on the Shape Format or Picture Format tab, and choose options like Align Left or Distribute Horizontally. Keep margins consistent, line up titles across slides, and use even spacing between elements. White space is your friend. It makes content easier to read and more elegant. Instead of cramming slides with text, communicate visually. Use icons, shapes, and smart art to break complex ideas into clear visuals. Insert icons to label sections or steps, use shapes to highlight key points, and smart art to transform lists into diagrams. Keep icon style consistent and match your colors and line weights so everything feels part of the same system. Finally, add light animations and smooth transitions. Favor subtle effects like fade or wipe with short durations and apply them only where they aid understanding. For slide transitions, stick to simple ones like fade or morph for a modern, cohesive flow. Less is more. The content should always be the star. Follow these guidelines, and your PowerPoint will look clean, consistent, and beautifully professional from the first slide to the last.